Hi, St. Anthony families. Today we're going to talk a little bit about something we didn't have a chance to talk about in class this year, and that is medicine safety. Safety about medicine and prescription medicine and substances in the home that are dangerous to us. And we're going to follow the safety rules. If we remember the safety rules, they are recognize when something is unsafe, refuse to touch it, and report. Report to your trusted adult. Everybody tell me who your trusted adult is. Come on. I'll wait. Okay, we've got our trusted adults. So today we're going to talk about medicine safety. Now, if you're in one of the older grades besides kindergarten, you've heard this before. Some of this will be review. And if you're in kindergarten, this is one of the first times you've heard this. So we're going to talk a little bit about safety and the safety rules. And you might remember them because they're pretty easy to remember. It starts with the word do not. See if you can remember. Right now, tell your grown-ups, what is it? It is don't touch, don't taste, don't take, tell your trusted adult, right? So we're going to do a little experiment with some things I found around my house today. So I want you to look at these two drinks. There's this one. I want you to look at that. And there's this one. Now look at both of these together. Those look like they could be something we could drink, doesn't it? We're not really sure because we don't know what it is because it's in a glass. But they look like maybe they could be some Kool-Aid or maybe they could be one of those yummy sports drinks, but we're not really sure. And if we're not really sure, what should we do? We do not touch. Now, why do I say don't touch? Because sometimes there are different substances and different medicines and different things that get in through our skin and they get into our bodies that way. And that is unsafe because then it can make us very sick. So we do not touch. We do not taste. We don't put it in our mouths, right? Because we don't exactly know what it is. We don't take. We don't pick it up. We don't do anything with it. And we tell our trusted adult. So we go tell our grown-up what it is that we found, and that way they can help us make decisions. So would you be surprised to know that this, right here, remember this glass? And we smell, ew, it smells gross. This is actually glass cleaner. This is glass cleaner. This would be very, very dangerous to drink, wouldn't it? That is why we tell our grown-ups, this is glass cleaner. That would not be safe. This one, don't they look just alike? This one right here is a sports drink. So this one would be okay to drink, wouldn't it? But we wouldn't know because it's in a glass and it's not labeled. So that's why we ask our trusted adult. Now, what about this? Let me see if I can get this in the camera. This right here, this looks like a gummy bear, doesn't it? This looks really delicious. Looks just like a gummy bear. That is not a gummy bear. That is a vitamins for grown-ups. So if you ate one, it probably wouldn't make you very sick. But if you ate a whole bunch, it would make you feel really, really sick. That's why we don't touch, we don't taste, we don't take, we tell our trusted adult. And they help us to make those decisions, don't they? Now, something else I want to say about medicine and medicine safety is prescription medications. Prescription medications are medicines that are prescribed by a doctor specifically for a person, okay? The doctor knows the person's gender, whether they're male or female. They know their height, their weight, their age. They know if they're allergic to anything. That means if we took it, it would make us really sick, right? If we're allergic to it. Just like I'm allergic to cats, right? When I get around cats, I sneeze and I get all puffy and I can't breathe. That is what being allergic means. So a doctor prescribes medicine specifically for a person because they know all about that person and they prescribe the perfect medicine for that person. But that means that medicine wouldn't be good for someone else, would it? So let's say that I have headaches and you have headaches. It wouldn't be safe for me to give you my medicine, would it? Because my medicine is prescribed just for me and your medicine is prescribed just for you. So that's why we don't take medicine that belongs to somebody else. We remember the safety rules. We don't touch. Remember, we don't touch anything because it can get into our skin sometimes. We don't taste. We don't take, and we tell our trusted adult. I hope you guys are remembering all of our safety rules that we have talked about throughout this year, and I hope you're practicing your safety rules. I hope you're remembering the never nevers, and I will see you soon. Bye.